Hello students, today you're going to need to work on your own. You have a PDF, print it if you can. At the end of the video we'll explain what you can do if you cannot print it. So if you can print it, what do you need to do? First, you have 10 exercises in front of you, actually 9 because the last one is the end of the game. How do we solve all of these exercises? Very simple. Because you printed it, first cut and separate all of these arrows. Now they're all in front of you, separated from each other. As you can see, on top of each arrow, there is a number. This is the answer of the previous exercise. But remember, they're all in this order. You need to find out what is the first arrow, what is the second arrow, what is the third arrow, and so on. How do you do this? Simple. First, stick the one with the start. Solve the problem, so sum the two conversions together. You have 0.5, blah, 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 blah. Try to sum all that. You'll come up with a number. Remember, when you write your answer, make sure you divide that into 4 parts. What are you calculating? Calculation, answer, unit. I've seen a lot of mistakes with that. I'm not behind you. I'm not next to you, but please make the effort. Now, so you come up with a number. What do? You try to find out the second arrow. And remember, the second arrow is the one with the answer at the top. So imagine, I don't know, you come up with a number which is 1,200. So the second arrow would be this one. You solve the problem, and let's say you come up with a number 3. It means that this would be the third arrow. So depending on the answer you find in each arrow, you'll know what is the next arrow that you need to place in after. So remember, glue the first arrow, then the second arrow, third arrow in your notebook. And next to each arrow, because you don't have a lot of space inside, you can write the calculation. Okay? So at the end, you should use maybe 2 or 3 pages of your notebook. Do that vertically, and you should have the arrow and the corresponding answer on the right side. An arrow, the corresponding answer on the right side, and so on and so on. So at the end, you should have all of these arrows in the correct order.